Hi guys, welcome to Zim Celebrity TV. We are back again with the latest gossip nyaya dziri kupisa dziri kutendera social media. Nyoka yemabhunu akasungwa kuSouth Africa. Munongoziva mega ndiye anga achirana yenonzi Anti Mnangagwa hapana zva 2030 aina geza bombshell vachiti ngaabude with immediate effect. Saka zvironzi abatwa kuSouth Africa kwaakatizira achitizira ZANU-PF ED zvigananda. Munongoziva zvazvinoita. A Zimbabwean national Wellington Masiwa, popularly known as on social media as Nyoka Yamabhunu, has been served with an international warrant of arrest in South Africa by the Zimbabwean government today. The warrant states that he has an outstanding fraud sentence to be served in Zimbabwe. Masiwa Nyoka Yamabhunu, who was first arrested by South African police on 13 April 2025 on immigration charges, has been in custody since then. The South African authorities charged him with contravention of Section 49(1) of the Immigration Act for being found in South Africa without valid visa or permit. He appeared today at Randburg Magistrate Court to answer the immigration charges, where the international arrest was served. In court today, his bail application could not proceed because he proceeded a Zimbabwean birth certificate and identity card with a different date of the birth from the one being used by the Zimbabwean government. South African authorities said the Zimbabwean Masiwa produced fake documents. Vari kuti aya mapepa ndeye fake because haasi kumecha nemapepa akabunzwa ne-South African ne-Zimbabwe government. The case was postponed to 9 May 2025. Masiwa, who ran a popular anti-Mnangagwa WhatsApp group, has informed his lawyers that the fraud charges is a race to extradite him to Zimbabwe and then use the judiciary there to imprison him for running the anti-Mnangagwa WhatsApp group. WhatsApp ake group ake akushandiswa nevamwe vanhu aihekwa vakuita zvinhu zvisina nebasa rose, zvinhu zvelula. So ndonyaya iripo guys, vari kudedzera kuti mukomana asungwa and aproducer mapepa asiriwo. Case yake has been postponed to 9 May. Saka ari kudedzera kuti iye varida kumuskomurura akasha kuZimbabwe, saka zvinani agara zvake kuSouth Africa kujeri.